$100,000 a year. Not long ago, that number meant you had made it. A nice apartment, a reliable car, vacations, a savings account that actually grew. People used to dream about hitting this number. It felt like the finish line. But something strange is happening in 2026. People making $100,000 a year, engineers, nurses, managers, young professionals, are living paycheck to paycheck, skipping vacations, stressed about rent. And the scary part? It is not because they are bad with money. It is because the math stopped working. So today, we are going to break it all down, dollar by dollar, and show you exactly where your $100,000 goes before you even get a chance to enjoy it. And at the end, we will show you the only real fix. Stay with me. The tax reality. Let us start with the very first problem. You do not make $100,000. You never actually see $100,000. Before your money even reaches your bank account, the government takes its share. Federal income tax, state tax, Social Security, and Medicare, all of it comes out first, before you buy a single thing. On a $100,000 salary in the United States, the average person takes home somewhere between $67,000 and $72,000 per year. If you live in California or New York, you are closer to $65,000. If you live in Texas or Florida, you keep a little more, around $72,000. Let us use $70,000 to keep it simple. That is $5,833 per month. That is what actually lands in your bank account. That is what you have to work with. Now let us see how fast it disappears. The cost of just existing.
We start with housing, because in 2026, this alone is enough to break most people. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in a major U.S. city, Austin, Denver, Miami, Seattle, is now between $2,000 and $28,000 per month. We will be generous and say $2,200. That leaves you with $3,633. Next comes transportation. In most American cities, you need a car. There is simply no other option. The average car payment in 2026 is $740 per month for a new car. Used cars are cheaper, but not by much, around $530. Let us say you bought used. Add car insurance at $190 per month and gas at $120. You are now at $2,793 remaining. Groceries for one person costs around $420 per month. That is not fancy food. That is regular supermarket shopping. Electricity, water, and internet will cost you another $210. Health insurance, even with your employer covering part of it, still takes $280 out of your pocket every month. Your phone bill adds another $85. You now have $1,798 left. And we have not even talked about student loans yet. The average monthly student loan payment in America is $460. Subtract that, and you are down to $1,338. No vacation, no new clothes, no dinner out with friends, no emergency fund, no savings, nothing. This is what $100,000 looks like in 2026. You are one unexpected bill, one car repair, one medical visit, away from a real crisis. Inflation did something invisible. Here is what makes this even harder to accept. Your parents or your older coworkers, when they earned $100,000, they were actually richer than you are right now at the exact same number. That sounds strange, so let me explain. In 2010, $100,000 had the same buying power as roughly $143,000 today. Inflation quietly ate the difference over 15 years. Eggs that cost $1.80 in 2019 now cost $5.60 in 2026. Bread, milk, chicken, everything went up. A home that cost $260,000 in 2015 now costs $480,000 in the same neighborhood. A college degree that used to cost $35,000 now costs over $110,000.
But your salary, it went from maybe $75,000 to $100,000, a 33% raise over 10 years. Meanwhile, your cost of living went up 60 to 80%. You got a raise, but you actually got poorer. No one announced this. No one sent you a letter. It just happened slowly and quietly, every single year, while you were busy living your life. The lifestyle trap. Now here is the part that most $100,000 earners make worse without even realizing it. There is a pattern in human psychology called lifestyle inflation, and it works like this. Every single time your income goes up, your spending goes up with it. You get a $15,000 raise, so you move to a nicer apartment, $300 more per month. You upgrade your car, you start eating out more. You sign up for a few more streaming services because now you can afford it. It all feels completely reasonable in the moment. You earned it, right? But here is what actually happened. You just committed your entire raise to new expenses before you saved a single dollar of it. And the subscriptions alone are quietly destroying people. The average American in 2026 spends over $380 per month on subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, Apple One, gym memberships, meal kit deliveries, cloud storage, news apps. Most people cannot even list everything they are paying for. And then there is social media. Every single day you scroll past someone your age at a resort you cannot afford, wearing clothes you cannot justify, driving a car 2 levels above yours. So you spend, not because you need it, but because you want to feel like you belong to the income level your salary suggests you should be at. And that feeling, that one feeling,